Welcome back to my channel, everyone. I am back with the September brown sugar box. Yes, it is almost October 15th and I am just getting around to filming this, but sometimes life just gets away from us. So here we go with the September box. Gorgeous cover. This month's box has a retail value of $112, and it is the Fashion Forward edition. So Fashion Forward, $112. Let's dig in and see what is in this month's box. So the first thing is a blue hat, and it says Unbothered, and it is an adjustable hat. There were 8 different options: black, blue, purple, a two-toned one, so 8 designs. And it is actually a satin lined hat, so you don't have to worry about it pulling your hair for those of us that are natural kinky curly girls. So that is the first item, and it has a $24 value. The next item is a Down to My Socks 3-pack set of socks, and it is a $20 value. And the socks came in 3 different pattern options, and it looks like I got the one I would have wanted. So the first socks are kind of a pink green combo with African or black heads in it. The second one is actually the socks that match the insulated cup, umbrella, and the sleep shirt that I reordered. And then the third pair looks like it's just maybe a print. It doesn't look like it's women or anything African, just kind of a print. So I'm good with this pack. I may go back and pick up a couple more packs just as stocking stuffers or Christmas gifts for some family members. So that is the second item. The third item is a belt. It is a wraparound vegan leather belt in the color black. And this belt came in one of 4 colors: black, red, brown, and a taupe color or tan color. And it has a $15 retail value. Let's see. So it looks to be pretty long. It says, dress it up if you wanna. This leather wrap belt is the perfect accent to your weekend wardrobe. Spice up things and wear it as a headband if you're feeling really fine. Vegan leather, one size fits all. Available in 4 colors: burgundy, black, dark brown, and tan. And I've got on shorts, so I'm not gonna get up, but no issues getting around my waist. So that is an option this is the option that I received, the black colored option. The next item is a pair of Too Cute to Lounge Around stretch leggings. They had 1 of 9 designs, and this one has a retail value of $25. It looks like I received a pair of leggings that actually match the original sleep shirt that I got in last month's box. The funny thing is, I've since gone back and ordered again a few other variations of that sleep shirt. So I could have probably gone with any number of these, but these are the ones that match the sleep dress that I got for last month. So you can see the heads here in the leggings. And this will be cute. I have sweaters, boots that will work for this. So I will probably figure out a way to kind of dress them up just a little bit so that they look a little nicer than just lounge around the house pants. And then the last item is this month's shirt, $28 retail value, fierce, fine, and fabulous. It is a long sleeve shirt, which is always welcomed because the weather is about to change and we only get a couple of long sleeve shirt options every year. This one is in the color purple, and it says, keep it cozy and casual. The fall weather is on its way. And Izzy and Liv's fierce, fine, and fabulous V-neck long sleeve t-shirt will be perfect for early morning walks or evenings on the patio. Stay warm and look fly this fall. And all of them are in the relaxed fit. So regardless of your shirt option, they're all relaxed fit and just in your size. So here is this month's shirt. Fierce, fine, fabulous. I love the quality of their t-shirts. I'm actually wearing one right now from a previous box. So this is always a great addition. Their shirts are great additions to my wardrobe. I kind of wish now that I'd had a different color hat so that it would have blended in a little bit better with my shirt, but I truly am unbothered, so I think this one will work. Thank you so very much for watching my brown sugar box reveal for the month of September. I should be getting the October box here soon, and we'll try to get back on track on posting them pretty regularly. Thank you so very much for watching. Until next time, take care.